Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be answering the question, do you need a passport to go on a cruise? Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video just to answer this question, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So yes, you generally do need a passport to go on a cruise, and your passport should be valid for at least 6 months past your expected return date. If your cruise embarks or disembarks in a foreign country, or if it begins and ends in different locations, which is known as an open loop cruise, a passport is necessary. However, there are some exceptions. For instance, US citizens taking a closed loop cruise, which is a cruise that began and ends in the same US port, and that may not require a passport. But please note that these requirements can change, so it's important to check the specific passport and visa requirements for your cruise no later than 2 months prior to your holiday departure. It's also recommended to have sufficient blank pages in your passport for entry and exit stamps. So this has been my video answering the question, do you need a passport to go on a cruise? Hopefully now that you've watched this video, I answered your question, and if you found it helpful, please comment down below. Thanks for watching.